Okay,
Hey, Jack Whites, how y'all doing?
welcome to the kitchen of the Bikersville Repute.
Dirty Biker Food Review. Dirty Biker Food Review. If you are bored and you got nothing to do, watch the Dirty Biker Food Review. Dirty Biker Food Review. Dirty Biker Food Review. Dirty Biker Food Review. Dirty Biker Food Review.
Hey, Butt Whites, how y'all doing? So today we're going to do another cooking video. This time we're going to make some chicken. You know what, though? It's going to be a special kind of chicken. It's going to be tortilla chicken. And this is a recipe from Home Chef. Again, from the Home Chef repertoire. And I just can't hardly wait to get started. So first thing we want to do is turn the oven on to 450 degrees, which is roughly there. If you look at there, there's no graduations on my stove top. It's no really old gas stove. But we take a gas. We have a thermometer in there, and that's what we use to see about what we're at temperature wise. Okay, so next thing you want to do is get out your produce and clean it off. As with all Home Chef recipes, you get all your ingredients, almost everything, in a bag or in the bottom of a frozen box. Well, you know, a cooler box with your meat. That's what we have. It makes it real easy. You don't have to run to the store and forget something and then have to go back again and whatnot. It just eliminates that hassle. And you know what's great about that too? It's also cheaper than going to the store. So, if you're interested in doing something like this, go to homechef.com and order yourself a few of these. You can have them automatically come in once a week. That's what I do. I have 4 meals come in once a week, and probably 90% of the time it's all new stuff that I never tried before. I don't know how they keep coming up with stuff, but I love it and I want to share it with you. So here we go. We have a jalapeno. We're not going to wash off the what looks like parsley, I believe. I'm not sure. I'll know in a minute. We have tortilla strips. We have sour cream. We have some cheese. Of course, the chicken. And that wasn't in the bag. That was in the box. And I don't know, some kind of spice. And a lime and a jalapeno. So we're going to wash the lime and the jalapeno, and also there's going to be a squash, acorn squash. It's just still in the fridge. It kind of came loose. So we'll wash this off. This is your acorn squash. It looks like a big ass acorn. We're going to take the sticker off and wash it. Now we're going to prepare a baking sheet with aluminum foil. And we're going to hit her with some cooking spray. There you go. We'll be using that later. And now we're going to start working on our squash. On your squash, you're going to cut the ends off. Like so. That end and then this end. Then you're going to cut it like this. Pole to pole. Like that. And then you want to take this inside and scoop it out with a spoon. Nice and clean like that. Alright. All this junk you can throw away. Alright, now we're going to take our jalapeno. We're going to do the same basic thing. Cut the ends off. Like that. We're going to cut it in half like this. Do that. I'm going to take a spoon, same spoon. I'm going to clean that crap out of it. Once you have something like this, we're going to slice it up real small. And turn them, slice them again. And you have a little pile of jalapeno peppers there too. Then we have tortilla strips. We're going to mangle them things. We're going to crush them into little pieces. Could have done it in the bag, I suppose, but we're going to do it right here. Make this job go a little quicker. That's pretty good, right like that. There's your tortilla pieces. Okay, now we're going to cut the lime. Alright, we're just going to take her and cut her right down the center. Oop, we'll try not to hurt ourselves. This knife is not very sharp. Okay, so one of them we want to take and cut it into slices. Let's do that. Oh boy, that's a good smelling lime right there. Then we want to juice this one. I don't have a fancy juicer, so this is what we do. Crush it right into a container of some sort. That's good. There's our lemon juice, or lime juice, brother. Okay, this is cilantro. We want to coarsely chop our cilantro. There's your coarsely chopped cilantro as well. Now we're going to start with the chicken. We're going to take it out of the package. We're going to pat it dry. We're going to put some salt and pepper on it. We're going to put it on the baking sheet first. Season it. I'm going to go with a little bit of this coarse sea salt. Like that, and then we'll flip it. Do the other side. Let me put a good bit of salt on it. Like that. And then we're going to pepper it. I'm going to go with a medium coarseness on the pepper. Like so. Flip it. Like that. That's good. We're going to get out of pan now. And what we're going to do, is add some olive oil to that. Boy, we are getting low on olive oil. We're going to add a little olive oil to that. We're going to take her over here to the stove here. Get this thing out of the way. Turn that stove on. stove top on to roughly, I'd say, a medium-high heat. Get that over there and get this heated up. Go ahead and throw your chicken in. And what we're going to do is sear this chicken. Okay? While that's going on, while we're searing that chicken, and it should have started sizzling. I didn't wait long enough. Now what we want to do is put our squash on this same pan. You stick it on there in some way. Put that squash on this pan, and we're going to take some more. What's left of my olive oil here. We're going to put that right on there on that squash, like so. And then we're going to put our seasoning. Depends on how spicy you like your food. Now, I'm also going to put a little bit of salt on this. Just a little bit, not too much. Alright, now, what we're going to do is kind of flip this stuff around. I did not cut this very well, so I have thin pieces and I have thick pieces. What we want to do, put the thin pieces in the center and leave the thickest of the thick pieces on the outside. See? Something like that. And then we're going to stick this in that oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll come back over here to our chicken. We're going to need, oh, it's in the dishwasher still. Yeah, I'll need this spatula. Plastic. See that? That's mildly seared. That's pretty good. Just like that. Flip it to the other side, sear the other side. It's wonderful. It's just wonderful. So, it might be a little overdone. Yeah, it is. It's a little overdone. But, it's not bad. It's alright. Flip these. We'll flip these. And, again, try to keep the thickest parts towards the outside, just like so. We're going to scoot them back, because now we're going to put our chicken right on top of this. Again, the thickest part towards the outside. About like so. We got a little bit of chicken grease here. We're actually wanting to use all that. So we're going to pour that over that chicken just like it was glazed. But basically, it sort of is. Now we're going to take our jalapeno and just kind of spread that over the chicken. If some of it falls off, it ain't no big deal. Just let it happen. We're going to take our crushed tacos or tortillas, whatever. We're going to make a nice big pile of crushed tortillas on each one of these. This is taco cheese. We're going to put that right on top there too. Get a couple of nice big piles there going. Now we're going to stick this back in the oven. It's probably going to be another 8, 9, 10 minutes, something like that. Basically, we're going to have the cheese melt, and we want the chicken completely cooked through. So let's do that. Now I see this little bit of squash here is overdone, and if you have that problem, yeah, these are both. We'll take these and put them on a plate just to keep them there. And let's take the rest of this, put it back in the oven. Now let's get out another mixing bowl, and we'll take this sour cream here. This is about 1 ounce of sour cream. We're going to actually use 2. But that in a bowl. Here's another ounce for 2 ounces of sour cream. Then we're going to take, remember our lime juice? We're going to put that in there. And then we're going to take a little bit of salt. We need a regular old iodized salt here. Just a little bit, I don't know, what's that? Pinch? Put that in there. Take a spoon, mix all that up. Got it all in there. Just like that. That's your crema. Okay, so now what we're going to do, it's been a few minutes. You know, I don't know exactly how many, because there's a lot of stuff going on YouTube that I'm not wanting to miss. So we're going to check and see. We're up to 165, and I think, oh, we're past it. We're up to 180. We've overdone everything. But it'd still be alright. You shouldn't go very far above 165, though, to be honest with you. But I have not been paying attention like a good cook. I've been watching YouTube videos about politics and different things. Stuff that a good cook probably shouldn't even care about. You know, we had put these on here, and the pan itself will help. But these, remember we took them off and put them back on there. And the pan will help to warm them back up a little bit. And this is, oh my, yeah. That's definitely done, overdone, but it'll be fine, I promise you. Wait, we're going to do this twice. This is 2 servings. And bring our stove over, set the plate right there in front of you. There's your chicken. Put some squash back here. Kind of arrange it nicely. And then you want to put your crema. Let's just put that here. Put the cream on here. And kind of, ooh, yeah. Like that. Take a couple of slices of lime, like that. That's kind of a garnish, and then you want to take your cilantro. Kind of sprinkle cilantro all over the place. There you go, that's good. More than enough. And that is what she looks like. That's a serving of tortilla chicken. Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. Spicy. Very good. Now let's hit up this. Oh my God. That is so good. Okay. This one's a huge hit.
Dirty Biker Food Review.